How anyone could 5x their income today. Right now, in today's market, you have the biggest opportunity to make the most money you have ever made in your entire life. Now, you're probably asking how in this economy when it takes $85 every time you go to the gas station. Every time you go to the grocery store, it takes $200. If you want to take your wife, your girlfriend, or your friends out, whatever, it takes another $150 easily every time you go. Aside from real estate, if you want to grow your money and finally invest, right now is the best time to do it because it's the lowest risk. Now you guys are probably thinking I'm crazy because I'm saying very low risk. The crypto and stock markets are both in bear markets. There's an easy 5 to 10x on great companies. Now if you look at crypto right now, buying anything in the top 25 is very, very, very low risk. Only because we're in 80 to 90% deficit. Cardano, Crow, Polygon, Solana, ETH, Bitcoin, and even Dogecoin are all solid buys right now. If you believe that the crypto market will eventually come back. Stocks also like Apple, Google, Amazon. These stocks ain't going nowhere, but they're down right now. Now, a lot of you bought Bitcoin at 68K and bought Ethereum at 4,800, and you guys bought it, and that was the riskiest time. Now that Bitcoin's down to almost 20K and ETH is down to almost $1,000, you guys don't want to buy in the least riskiest time of the market? It doesn't make sense. I mean, guys, it's so easy to make money right now in the crypto market that, remember a year ago, we were trying to find meme coins and trying to find the next 5 to 10x, trying to just get rich quick? Well, guys, now you don't have to search anymore. You know why? Because your easy 10 to 15x is all in the top 10. You can literally just look in the top 10 and make a killing in the next 2 to 3 years when the market comes back. Now guys, I know it's hard right now to invest in the market because everything's down, but you literally have to go against your emotions. You literally have to do the opposite of what you feel is right, and what you feel is wrong is the right way. When you feel like crap because your portfolio's in the dumps, like all of us spread across the board, that's the time to buy. Yes, when you're excited, when you're happy, when you want to show your friends your portfolio, when you want to go on social media and show off your portfolio, that's the time you sell. But a lot of times we get into our emotions and we do the opposite. Now guys, just a little rant. Just wanted to come on here and rant a little bit, but I'll be buying Bitcoin at $18,000. I'll be buying ETH when it hits $1,000. I'll be buying Harmony 1 when it hits 1 cent, and I'll be buying Crow, a lot of Crow, when it hits 8 cents. Now guys, go find your 4 to 5 blue chip cryptos or stocks and wait for the market to turn around.
The pain inside don't wanna feel it. Yeah. So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it. Ooh. I know it won't solve my problem, but I know it makes a difference.